There are certain things that happen as we get older. Aging can increase a person's risk of developing diseases, and it can cause a person to lose basic functions. For example, eyesight. Eyesight is usually the first sense that gets affected by the aging process. Sometimes vision loss is natural, and other times it can be attributed to macular degeneration, which is the leading cause of irreversible blindness. Recent studies have shown that there is one ingredient that may be able to help reverse the effects of vision loss and macular degeneration. This magical ingredient is saffron. It is often used as a spice in Indian cuisine, but rarely it is used to stop age-related eyesight degradation. The recipe we recommend here is one of the most beneficial and has proved effective for most of those who've tried it. The antioxidant property of crocin in saffron is stronger than alpha tocopherol. It will protect the retinal cells from degeneration and improve the sensitivity of the retina to light. Saffron has anti-carcinogenic, immune modulating and neuroprotective properties. Saffron should be used in the form of tea. Saffron tea recipe for better vision. Ingredients: 1 gram saffron, 1 cup of water. Boil the water in a pot and add the saffron once it's boiling. Let the mixture simmer for a few minutes and then remove from the heat. When it cools, add some honey to sweeten it up. Drink this tea every night before going to bed for 2 weeks, and you'll start to see the difference literally. Saffron's other health benefits. Saffron is an extremely nutrient-dense spice that contains vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, iron, and vitamin B6. Health experts link saffron with cancer prevention, energy enhancement, immune strengthening, asthma relief, depression treatment, Alzheimer's protection, and menstrual cramp relief.